Hello, hi viewers. We are today going to discuss how to use Crystal reports with Visual Basic 6.0. First of all, we are going to start. Click here, Start, then Programs, then Crystal, Seagate Crystal Reports. This is the first interface of the Crystal reports. You will see on your screen. First of all, today we are going to make a report. That report name is our top customers. I mean to say top customers of our database. Our software is a POS software. There are many customers add in this software, and we want to check the most top 10 customers in our system, in our shop, in our business. First of all, we are going to click here, create a new Crystal report document. Click here, then click on OK button. Now on the next screen there are different styles you can add in your reports, like standard this type of report you will make, and next is form letter size, look like a form, look like a cross table, look like a sub report within a report, mail label, look like a mail label, and many others options are available. But today we are going to discuss standard report. In this report you have to make everything manually. If you are learn manually, you can make easily other like reporting style easily. Now first of all, we are going to start with standard reporting and using the report expert. Let's press OK button. And on the next screen you have to select the database where you want to connect, you want to use for this report. I mean to say, every report depend on a database, like your customers data is stored in database, and on that database we are produce a report of our top 10 customers. Select a database. Is there many options available? At this time we are no time to discuss everything in briefly, but we need this options 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th option, database file. Press the drop down menu and find the database. Double click here or press the add button to show this screen. Is there you select your path of your database. Our path is E drive, GMsoft is folder name, then Taj folder name, then Taj client. Is there our database name is Taj client, like a key you can see this database is made in Microsoft Access. I double click on this database. You can see a database have depend on many tables. Basically database is nothing. Tables are working on our data. Our data is stored in table and table stored in database. Now I am going to open our database. This is database open. Is there we need to add tables that are used in this report. First of all, users is there, we are stored in our company name, and next is our customers data. I press the C button. A customer master and customer payment receive and customer detail. These 3 tables are 4 tables we are need, like users, customer master, customer detail, and next is customer payment receive. These are tables are used to create this report. At this time you are already expert on this database, then you can understand this. If I am going to discuss everything in detail, like what is company name, what is customer name, what is detail, what is and payment received, this is a long video maybe you are bored when you are watching this video. Now at this time we add these tables, and this is the primary key of customer ID and this is the foreign key of customer ID. Next we are add one more relation in with customer payment received customer ID. Okay. All these relation complete. This is a separate table. This is no need to any relation. I'm going to press the next button. Okay. First of all, we need to add is there field, different fields in our report. Available field, display field to display. As you know, many fields are available in like company name, company phone number, email, fax, GST. We don't need anything more. Just we need company name. I add company name field to display. Nothing, anything more need. We can add everything after the making report. Next we are going to customer master. Is there we need customer ID. You know, customer ID is our most need in our system because everything is working perform on customer ID, and the next is customer name. We use the both because we are easily understand who's the customer we are working on. This customer, like a customer ID 001 is like a George, and we are mistakenly enter the 002 and we don't know this is George or Robin. Now we are going to, this report shows us that this ID is a George or Robin. Okay. Next, the mobile number, phone number, address. This is we no need. If we need, we can add. You can add easily. You can add from here, like mobile number, add, address, add. But at this time in our report, we don't need these things. Next, we are going to customer detail. Is there options available? Invoice number, we don't need this. Customer ID, date, account type, description, invoice amount, receive amount, no need. We no need this type of invoice amount, receive amount. Now we are going to customer payment receive, because we are our calculation are totally depend on the customer receive amount, because the top 10, who's the top 10 customer that they are give us the payment more, give us the more payment. These are our top customer. If Robin gave us a $50,000, he is the best one, and Robin gave us a $4,500, he is the second one. Next we are going to, is there an option available payment receive ID? A customer ID we don't need because we are already added, and we don't need date. Yes, date perform many functions for us, like when we are going to find out record between two dates, then this date working for us. Like you want to check the April topmost customer, then this date we are calculate our report data. Next we are going to add another field like amount. We can add another field is amount, because this field is amount that we are received from customer. All customer data of the payment received saved in this amount field. We are calculate this field, and we are then we system can calculate who is the best, who is the most profitable customer for us. Then we are, these fields are we need. I going to press next. Is there we are a Callisto report asks us the group Y, using the which field you can group the record. Group means a George one group, Robin is a second group. I mean to say the customer ID is the group of this report. Using to this group we can working in ascending order or descending order or specific order or a original order. We need ascending order. Then I going to press, this is enough, going to press next button. Is there another field that is made automatically in our report? Like I want to total of any field. Is there, we have only one field, that name is amount field. We don't calculate customer ID, don't calculate total customer name, don't date, we don't calculate, we just calculate receive amount, and also not customer ID required. I press the I select the customer amount, receive amount, and press the next button, and the top N. This field work on the top 10 top customer of our system. Is there, we select for a group bottom N, top N, bottom N. I select sum of the customer receive amount, yes, where N is 5. Between 5 include the other group field label others. I press the 10 here, because we are going to working on 10, and then finish. Next is chart, select and style. We don't need this. Okay. Next I'm going to press on style. Which style we need? There are many styles are available: standard, landing, and trailing, table. I think this is the best for us. Table, drop table, and landing break, shading, different are available. You can see standard is not. I use table. We can manage and modify after the making the table. Finish. I press the finish. This is the our report is created. At this time database, we have no any record in database. First of all, we are going to create some records in database, then we are use this. This is the preview version of the report, our report, and this is the design of our report. We are going to some work on our design. First of all, I click to page header. All our header like company name, print date, and other some data we are want to display just in a one time in our report, that we are add in report header. First of all, I click the right click here and press the hide don't pearl. So press. After this active and hide deactive. I want to active. For active, show. Is there add your company name, because this field store our company name. This is at this time have a 10 size font size, and the font name we don't need to change the font name, and but at this time company name is heading for this report. I just increase size to 14 and press the bold button, and something editing I change the size using this click here buttons and press the align center button, because our reports are company name show in the center alignment. For your I increase the size of this report, and then I add the a box around the company name, because for some beauty add in this report. Right click on the box, press the format box. Is there many options available? We just need drop shadow here. Press OK. This is the company name is added. For I increase the width because some company names are large. Next is the print date. Next we are need to add a print date. What is the print date? When we print this report, that is called print report. There is I need another field label for this. Label for this field is a report print date. I will reduce the size of this and like this. This is good. This is our preview of our report. I also want to change this style of the date and time. Press the format field. Okay, right click on the date and press the format field. Is there many fields are available? You can see. You can pause this video and you can see the many available date options, dates display options. I like and I recommend this type of 1st March, this type of, and I press the icon. At this time today date is 23 May 2020. He show automatically when this report is print, not today. Every date when this system print the report, you can view the report, then this show the current date of the system. Now I am going to save this report, and the report name is top customers. Press the, I write the name, press the save button. And next is the, we need to, company name we don't need, and we just need, we want to remove this field, and we reduce the size customer ID and reduce this size of this box. Okay, well done. Preview, yes. Customer, first we want to show the date, and next we want to show the, but at this time we don't need the date, because date we are only used for calculation, not for show. I going to hide this date. I press the control button. This you select the date, and another field you want to select and press the control button and press the right click from the mouse and press the format objects. You want to select suppress. Suppress means you want to hide the field. I press the suppress, the date is hide like this. You don't see date, just customer name and customer ID and customer name and amount. I going to set this manually, customer name and customer, this line we need here. Okay, okay, here we add the customer name. Okay, I add the amount here. And I want to remove this line because we don't further need this. I want to reduce the size of the table because the amount is not much. And these lines also, I want to set in this table in the between the page. First amount, then customer name and customer ID. If you want to change the label of this column, press the double icon and press the I want to increase the size. This is already have customer ID, and this all labels have as described underline. We are going to remove this line, and also this is some format we need. Amount is capital at this time required. At this time, these lines we want to remove. What is this? Payment receive date we don't need at this time. Okay, what is the customer ID? Okay, I need customer ID. Where is the customer name? What is customer name? You can, is there in the design view you can see everything, and the amount. Oh sorry, you can add the amount. Okay, this is the amount. Calculate total amount field, customer name, customer ID, and the date. Okay, well done. I'm going to preview mode and want to reduce the size. Please keep watching. Okay, well done. Okay, customer ID, customer name, and amount done. And the is there show total customer amount. Okay, this is our report that we are making using the Crystal report. Hello, no, we are come to our software. There we add our some customers and their data. Therefore, we can test our report. First of all, I log into my software. That's I put username and password. This is our software. That software name is GM Software Store, point of sale software. First of all, I am going to add 2 or 3 customers. First of all, I'm going to menu box. There I go to custom menu, customers menu. There I select the new customer menu. First of all, I click the new button. Is there first of all system asks me about the customer name. There I tell him his name is Scott, SCOTT, and mobile number is I add some mobile number, phone number, address, ABC, and refer by Robin, and opening balance is 0 because today I am going to start a fresh new customer in our system, and press the save button. Your record has been saved. This customer is added successfully in our system, and again I going to add another customer in our system. Press the new button, and one is called, then next is I am add Robin, phone number. This, for example, I add sample data, refer by opening balance is 0. Must be add a proper opening balance. If you don't know, and if any customer don't have any balance, you enter 0. Otherwise you put sample data 888, like this is also used in opening balance. That's opening balance you never change in our software. Now I'm going to enter the data is 0. Now I'm going to press the button save, and the system is asking me your record has been saved. Press OK button, and today I need another software, another customer, third one customer name I use Carlington. Phone number is, for example, I enter sample data and opening balance is 0. Press the button save. Your record has been saved. At this time we have 3 customers that are saved in our system: Scott, Robin, and Clinton. Now I'm going to sale. Enter the sale, and as there I enter some sales in our system. After the sale, customer can sale and purchase in our system. Wait please, I am going to attach barcode scanner with my system. Here is cable. Wait please, I added successfully. For the reference, I already added some products in my system. I'm going to save. For example, I scan keyboard. Okay, yes, keyboard. Okay, now the quantity of the keyboard 10. I transfer and going to cash. Now this is the credit invoice. Select a credit and customer name is Scott. First I going to enter this 7100 amount in the against of Scott account. Press the save and this is the record our save. Press the new button. For the next transaction of this, select the credit and I am selected to Scott. The system is show me the previous balance of the Scott is 7100. Is that mean today no we are have a good result of our software. This is software our perform the perfect output is there, not only in repeat but even that in our software. I'm going to I go to in my Crystal report. Is there I am going to fresh my data. Press OK. Is it all customers our data are showed Scott, Robin and Clinton. As you see there is no amount is show because no any customer gave us any amount at this time because this is the credit invoice. No I receive any amount from any customer. Okay, then the next customer I am going to choose credit and then next customer is Robin invoice. I used another product. Okay, the product price is 10 and the quantity is 100 and the balance is against the Robin account is 1000 and account is customer Robin. I'm going to save debug. Okay, is there any some problems? Okay, stop the program and again Robin, check the save record are Robin 1000 are saved in the Robin record. At this time the invoice is 20. I'm going to check the 19 invoice is saved in our system or what the status of the sale report sale in 19. Yes, this is invoice perfectly added in our system. The what is error is occur I will check another time. Okay, exit. Oh no, the next is credit. Okay, yes, the next is credit. Next customer is Clifton. I use the barcode keyboard 5 keyword sales transfer 3500. Press the save. At this time we have the 3 customer data. One Scott, next is Robin, next is Clifton, and at this time of status reports customer status. Press show all. At this time we customer balance is 7100, Robin 1000 and Clinton is 3530 rupees, 3550 rupees. Total grand total is 11,650 rupees. I am going to close this report because we don't need at this time of this report. I am going to our new report. There we are working. Press the refresh button. But at this time no any record in the amount because we just no receive at this time any amount from customer. Now I am going to receive amount from customer reports, sorry, customers, new customer, modify customer, receive amount from customer. Yes, amount, which customer we receive the amount? I going to receive customer from Scott. This system is there show our the previous balance of this customer is 7100. The amount is received 7000. 4000. For the testing purposes, I add different amount received from customer. The system is show us which is the best, which is the top customer in our system. Description is 4,000 received, whichever you want to write here, and press the save button. I receive 4,000 from Scott. Next amount received is from next our customer is Robin. I receive amount is 4,100 from Robin. Enter the description, whichever you want to write here. Received 4,000 from Scott, 4,000 from Robin. Amount next is Clinton. Amount is 500. Press the save button. Okay. At this time we received three amounts from different three customers. At this time I am going to press the refresh button. Is there show system our some data, like you see 500, 4,000 Robin is, but at this time the 500 is the topper and the 4,100 as the bottom. But we are at this time we need the 4,100 is the toppest customer, 4,000 is the second toppest customer, and the 500 is the third one toppest customer. Now we are going to solve this issue. We are going to design. Is there we don't need any detail, because is there as customer enter some data in the this is there they show 500, 600, 700. We are going to close this detail. Therefore we don't show any this record. At this time we are see only the customer record. They are entered sample data. This is for 8,600 grand total. I am going to hide this also, because don't show me grand total, only show me the list. Is there I want to add a line here. Just scroll down this icon and press the amount here. Is here, and enter a line here. You can see this is added in every customer. At this time I am going to show, but there is no a problem. No customer ID and no customer name show. To solve this issue, this customer name paste here and customer ID paste here, because we spell this field and this is field show customer name and data. Just check the preview. Done. Well done. Successfully we are done. And at this time the issue is the highest payment customer show on top and the second highest payment in the second, and the last one is last. Going to design and press select this field that we are going to perform this action, and going to ascending order, top order, top n. Press OK. Going to preview. Successfully we are done our job. Customer name, customer ID 2 Robin gave us 4,100. Customer 1 Scott gave us 4,000 is second one, and the customer ID Clifton gave us 500. Done. We are successfully done this report. At this time we are going to close this scenario and we are show this customer successfully. Okay, this is the today our major problem. Today I will solve the issue. That's name is how to create a report, but there is no heading in this report. I going to add this heading in this report. Going to insert and select text object. As the text object I add customer top customer top customers. Going to increase the size of this customer report. And align center, and want to change the color. Going to right click on the object and press the format button. Is there font, and select the font color. I mostly use this color. Okay, the color is added successfully. At this time I want to add another line here. Insert text object is there. Top customers list made on the behalf HLF, sorry, of make payments, make payments. Done. Center line, done. Now I am going to see the preview of this report. Done. This is not be visible properly. I am going to change this location. Done. Well done. Top customers. Top customer list made on the behalf of the make payment of the customer. Done. This is report done and make it successfully. I am going to design further and added some special objects. I am going to spell this also page footer. No need to page footer. This table is going too long. I want to this is okay. This is okay, no problem, because at the end we have a lot of customers here, and all customers data are show is in this report. Best of luck, and we are going to make some videos like this, and please subscribe our channel and press the subscribe icon button. Thanks for your watching, and going to discuss some another video. This is our report, but at this time who to call this report in your Visual Basic. At this time who to call this report in Visual Basic. Who to call this report in Visual Basic. How to call this report in Visual Basic. Now we save this report, and we are now write the name this top customers. Save and minimize this. I am going to in our Visual Basic press the stop button, because first of all to do any programming in Visual Basic you have to stop in stop mode and in the working mode. I am going to in the MDA form, because all the forms are connected in MDA form. Is there new reports, top customers and top is there we add. At this time the last one is admin, and we are going to add is there any top customers and top products. Let's move reports, menu editor. Is there I add another menu after the admin, like here add, sorry, insert, enter the name here, name top products, name that this is the caption that shows you in the software, and the name is top products. This is the unique name in your MDI form. Okay, insert, insert another menu editor, and the next one and I'm going to add next one, admin top products, and insert top customers. Top 10 customers. Done. I'm going to check this is add or not. Enter the username and password to my system. New reports. There is add menu in top customers, top products, but there is no data added in this. Now I'm going to call the reports. Top MDA form. I'm going to select top products. Done. Here I'm going to show the report name. I just copy. Yes, this is, I need the data. Paste the data. Here I add my report name. What is the report name? We check the manually what is the exact report name. GM software. Top 10 products report name. I copy the report name and paste here. Okay, well done. This is report done, created, called successfully. I also add this code. Reports top customers, but is here I add top customers. For the correct name, I copy and paste the name. That's I paste successfully, and I'm going to play my software. New reports top products. Done successfully. This is software our done successfully. But is there an error? There are no any heading in this report. I'm going to add this some reports in this heading. This made successfully. I'm going to open another top products and add another open top customers, because I need these two lines in our top product name. Just I copy and paste here. I'm going to design view to add some place here. Move these object to bottom side and enter these. Done successfully. Move the center alignment. Okay, is here I write top products. PUCT top products. Done. Top products, products list made on the behalf of sale product. That means whose product that are this report made on the sale behalf of the product. Done successfully. Going to save this and we going to check this. Close this report because this is beauty is needed to any report. Top product, this is top product added. Print report is working not properly, that I don't like this type of. Done successfully. Alignment center and alignment center. Press the save button. And now I'm going to check report top products. Done successfully. Report print date, that's date, and product code, product name, and the product quantity sale 18605 whatever. Done successfully. Now I'm going to show you the next report top customers. but there is no data show at this time. But why? Something went wrong. What is wrong? I'm going to close some reports. System may be at this time busy. We are now waiting for the response of our system. When the system is respond, we will show you the report. But I think so there is no error. But my system is going to stock mode. Oh my god. Going to open my software and press GM reports and again check top customers. Okay, well done, well performed, well successfully. What error is occurred? I will see again. This is our top customer report. Well done and well successfully. Now I am going to add some work on our system software. First of all, I am going to stop my software. Hello, now we are going to check the problem. When I going to scan some product, there are an error show. I check the product scan after transfer. This is transfer successfully after the sale. Maybe this problem after the sale. Going to sale form. The part I'm going to control of sale detail. This is our control F save data detail. In this our detail fully saved in this our function. I'm going to find and we have recently inshallah remove the sale ID, product ID, flex 1.text metric events. Okay, rccl.cl product ID, product name. This is perform work perfectly. We have some issue in this particle. We are going to find this particle. This is not working. That's yes. This is the val function gave us the issue. Product defined as. We don't need the val function because this is product ID have no is a text field, not a numerical field. If this is numerical field, then we are used to val function. Find product val product dot field product start create val rc product dot field product start create. Okay, control. This is the very big issue in our software. I going to check in all my forms. This is another fault. Going to remove this. This may be cause of manywhere. This is again because there is product ID is a text field. Control F, Control V. Trim. I need some this type of data. Done 8 replacement done successfully. Now I'm going to run my software in this CL form, new product, and going to transfer data and save. That's great. These our effects are working in sale return, purchase and purchase return also. Now I going to check all the system problems. Okay, now I'm going to check the issue in Control S and sale return form. Done. Oh sorry, first of all I'm going to sale form. Yes, this code I need to copy and sale to, and sale 3 also form sale 3. Done successfully. Now I going to sale return form, and in the sale return we're going to find this sale return dot field sale dot product ID. Done. Is this problem? Yes, Control F, replace, Control C and Control V. Remove this to this. Replace. There is 4 replacement done successfully. Done. I think so. Are done. Are made successfully. Now I'm going to change this field to this field. Control F, replace via this. Replace all. Done, made successfully. I am going to check sale return form. This is the big issue in our system. Product ID. This product does not exist in this database. Okay, we'll check what problem is here. A sale return ID, key down, key press. Yes, this is the problem. I'm going to, because this only accept the numbered data, but this product have some number and some numeric data. Yes, done. Transfer and save. Done. Your record has been successfully done. Sale return form is done, complete successfully. Now I am going to work on sale return and purchase form. First of all, I am going to check form, key press, okay, key down, okay, guard focus, okay. Done. Here I am going to check Control F. Yes, this problem is also working here. First we remove this, then we add trim, 5 replacement, cancel, Control F and replace via this. 5 done successfully. Now I am going to check my purchase form because we are working already in sale return. Now we are working on purchase. G and password, purchase return. Now product ID. Yes, make done successfully. There is done. Transfer ends. Oh, what is type mismatch? This big problem. What problem is a career type mismatch? Are working successfully? Yes. Don't worry, we find the issue. I'm going to find the issue. Wait please. E is empty. E is for E. Data is not. Product ID 0. This is the issue. Product ID is 0. Then the transfer. Okay. I check the transfer function. The transfer function is, this is transfer function. Product quantity, product quantity, product name, total, all quantity, product price, product T. That's problem. Product, this is not a val. This is the issue. I'm going to again check. Purchase new. Take the product code. My scanner working slow. Transfer that successfully. Transfer product name and press the save button. Done successfully. Hopefully done successfully. And press the exit button. Yes. Now I am going to purchase return form, and all set are we form in purchase return form. Purchase return. First of all, I save our previous all data. Let me check this. Key down, key press. This, that's okay. And we are going to find out this. Find this is where we are going to remove the val function, because this is a text field, not a number field. Replace all four replacement done successfully. Now here we are going to replace via this. 5 replacement done successfully. Done. Now we are going to test our because last time you see the transfer function is gave us a problem. We are first of all, before the test, we going to check what is the transfer function is working, perform not properly. We are going to find this product ID co underscore control F PRODUCT ID product underscore code underscore t. That's a problem. And another problem that we may be facing when we test. This is okay. Again we going to find out. Okay, then save and run the program. You know, when we are going to press the F5 button to run the program, press the purchase return form, new, enter the product code here. You know, my barcode scanner is working not. This is perfectly working, and I am paste another product name. Enter the quantity 1 and press the save button. Please insert any invoice number. I press the 1 invoice number and press the save button. Your record has been saved. Press the exit button. Done. We are successfully done all the working styles of sales return, purchase return, and the report top 10 products and top 10 customers report also. This is the best style of top 10 product. Okay, but the next is the top 10 customers. This table is not show the good result. I going to remove this table here. We are going to open the Crystal reports. Top 10 customers, design, and remove the table. I'm going to remove these lines also. I'm going to preview this type of preview. This is the big margin between the lines. We are going to remove this margin. Set this upper side and remove this margin. Go to preview mode. This is good. We are add some margin more. This okay. This is the bold. We are going to remove this bold to normal. Done. I am going to preview. This is done successfully. Amount done. Customer ID is here. I'm going to center alignment. Okay, will show perfectly. This is also the center alignment. Customer name number done. I'm going to add some table in this around design, more space, insert the box and interline between these. Oh, sorry, just line, insert line. Yes, see preview, done, make successfully, done. This is the beautiful. Then the other payments, I think, no, okay. Save the program, and no, at this time we successfully done. We done. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks, and press the bell icon. Thanks for your watching video. Thank you.